or gambling or drugs. I'm talking about basic, everyday, what it's going to do to improve my life habits. Okay? The next thing I talk about, and I'm very strong in this, and if you've seen some of my previous videos, it's always about building relationships. I don't care about what your life is like or what it wasn't like, right? When you're selling somebody something, or you're going to try to help them with something, the last thing you want to do is have a bad first introduction, right? You want it to be a great experience for both the client and for yourself. Always helps if you like the person you're working with. And that goes both ways. Think about it. You know, if you don't like who you're going to work with, you got an attitude. Attitudes don't work in sales process. Attitudes don't work if you're going to try to make a purchase and hopefully the guy that you're working or gal that you're working with will understand that you have an attitude. Just be nice. Be nice. We're going to talk about the sales process. Again, it's not just, hey, you want to buy something? There's a process. There's a way of getting there. It all takes steps and process and consistency. And that's another word you'll hear me use quite a bit, is consistency. You know, don't do your processes to customer A and skip on B, and then you're sitting there going, I don't know why they didn't buy. Well, they didn't buy is because you treated them differently. Treat everybody alike, right? Treat them all alike. Kindness, professionalism works every time, right? When you qualify somebody, that's basically a needs assessment. Why are they in the market? What are they looking to do? Do they need a bigger vehicle? Do they need a vehicle now that's got all-wheel drive? Do they need someone with better fuel economy? Do they want to go to an all-electric vehicle? There's lots of reasons people come out, okay? So you need to learn, and I will help you, how to generate the information you're going to need to solve their problem, okay? You're going to then want to work the deal. You're going to know, by qualifying with a needs assessment, you know, what their budget is, whether it's the monthly budget, the money down, do they have a trade, do they owe on the trade, do they have positive equity in the trade. So you want to get all this stuff up, and then you'll, like I said, you'll work your deal. And again, we're going to get into that a little further. Common objections. I got to think about it. I got to pray about it. It's too much. I can't afford it. Again, things that I will teach you.